Libo-libong trabaho ang alok ng bansang Hungary para sa mga Pilipino ngayong ipinagdiriwang ang Philippines-Hungarian Friendship Week. At nakatutok si Oscar Oida.
Mahigit sa 2,000 trabaho ang nag-aabang ngayon sa mga Pilipino sa bansang Hungary para sa agriculture, construction, manufacturing at iba pa. Sabi ng Hungarian Embassy sa paggunita ng Philippine-Hungarian Friendship Week, isa ang Pilipinas sa 3 bansa sa mundo na pinapayagan nilang magpasok ng mga manggagawa sa kanilang bansa.
Hungary really closed the borders. We realized that solid partners from Asia currently is only the Philippines. We realized that the Filipinos are the only Christians in Asia, and as we Hungary, we are also Christians.
Hawig din anya ang kultura nila sa Pilipinas. Kaya kung ma-homesick man, malamang madali umunong makaka-adjust ang mga Pilipino.
They felt themselves really good in Hungary, so we are confident in that their some of them second terms contract is already approved.
What we're doing is facilitating safe, ethical, and transparent labor mobility, as Ambassador Tita had mentioned. So we're making sure that nobody is a victim of illegal recruitment or human trafficking.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Oscar Oida, nakatutok, 24 oras.